The Monkey's Paw by W. W. Jacobs. Pronunciation Lesson Part 4. Nuzzing, walking, cottage, hardly, weighing, hoarsely, mixes, fetches, petish, lawyer, swarming, thrusts, sociable, alike, doubled, delighted, blame, intention, blinds, wishful, gently, curiosity, fairy tale, bitten, attempts, eyeing, nap, preceding, politeness, relaxation, kneels, evidently, tempestuous, abstractedly, wailing, puddle, astonished, shaded, some, shrinking, awkwardly, latch, whispering, electrical, embarrassed, peering, aloud, desperately, jocked, remains, relieved, simultaneously, confounded, nervously, steaming, natives, waiting, appearance, fate, satisfaction, short, mates, servant, refilled, fancies, obeying, mourning, chess, fellow, odd, husband, infernal, addle, speeches, renewed, wrenches, slam, reason, solemn, slushy, sympathy, wholesome, fretfully, seizes, stories, pervades, china, irregular, intended, rocking, trams, sour, wherever, electricians, spot, movement, villas, candlestick, snatches, horrible, homelike. Thank you.